Hi, my name is Shagun Singh. I'm the founder and principal designer at Homework Design Studio. Homework Design Studio is a full service design and build practice based out of Gurgaon. At Homework, we have been designing and renovating homes since 2016, which was our very first renovation. And then in 2020, we went on to do our first design story. Over the years, we've worked across residential projects in Gurgaon, South Delhi, and Central Delhi with a very clear focus on giving our clients an experience that was hassle-free, efficient, and driven with quality. Every project really had to be well done, and if there were any stumbles, it was our responsibility to make sure that the client had a completely hassle-free experience whilst doing that renovation. Our design sensibility is warm, aesthetic, and functional. But most importantly, as we design homes, what we really do is try and understand how our clients are thinking about their spaces. How do they live? What are their likes? What are their dislikes? A home should be built for the people who are going to live in it. We are not a copy-paste firm. We're not somebody who's going to throw our sensibility right down your throat. We're going to understand what do you like and build from there. But most importantly, we're also going to help you through the process, make the right choices from a function point of view, because this is something that we do every day. So we design a home that feels like you, is all about you, but the function is also an important aspect of design. Today, we are ready to take the next step and we're ready to move on from Delhi NCR and also explore other cities across the country. So if you've got a home anywhere in the city and you want us to come visit it, do give us a call to understand how this is going to work for you, because we really want to put in our design sensibilities and our designs across cities in India.